I'm so excited to show you guys how I got this look. We got this flawless soft glam going on, plus this wig, it's giving all of the summer vibes, like let's have a fancy tea party and drink some tea with our pinkies up. But yeah, so this is the look that we're going to be getting into. I hope you guys enjoy. As always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that little notification bell before we get started. I'm going to go ahead and do my hair first and then we'll get into the makeup look. The hair that I'm using today is from Hairvivi. This wig that we're using today is freaking flawless. It's everything. This is Hairvivi's Kylie wig. It's a short bob unit, super cute, perfect for the summer. Oh, man, as much as I love it, sometimes it's just nice to have a bob unit. So I'm loving this wig and like the length of it. It's such a classy type of look too, very ladylike. Anyway, one of the things that I loved most about this wig is the construction. It actually comes with a fake scalp installed on the inside, so you definitely don't need to do the bald cap method. Like, this is one of those wigs where you can throw on like a black stocking cap and call it a day. It does come with HD lace, which is also a plus. The knots are already bleached, the hairline is already pre-plucked, so I didn't have to do anything to this wig. This wig was so easy to install, which is another reason why I love it so much. And to secure the wig down even more, you've also got an elastic band and some combs on the inside, so this baby ain't going nowhere. One of my favorite parts about this wig too is the size of the lace. It's 13 by 6, so you're getting a lot of like parting space. It's giving flawless, okay? Thank you so much for watching, guys. Sending lots of love, and hopefully I will see you in the next one.